There is a research going on that will revert damaged kidney function. So if a kidneys had damage, this research may result in a medication treatment that in the future will bring back at least a part of the kidney function. At this point, the research is done on mice. It's not yet on persons, but it says that, let me find this. There was an improvement in all mice that had this treatment. We're not sure what exactly the substances. And also it says that within 3 months, there has been about 50% improvement here. It says over a period of 3 months resulted in more than 50% reversal, just getting back kidney dysfunctions and fibrosis. Now, it doesn't say, or at least I didn't find this detail, at what level of damaged kidneys we can revert to 50% function within 3 months of treatment. But this is just a beginning. Again, it didn't start the research on person. You can search this. I'm going to link you this on the comment section. Thomas Kaufmann, this is a professor at the university, NHCS, kidney failure regeneration. Just read through all the results that you find on Google. This is their page, and it says about this ongoing search. So again, it's not a treatment yet as we speak. This publications date from 2023. I'm guessing 2024 things did advance a little bit, but they expect obviously to start trials on persons and at some point, but we don't know exactly when. It's not quick. It takes many years usually. So let's just throw a very wild guess, maybe around 2030. There may be a treatment, again, depends on the damage on the kidney, but there may be substantial retrieval of the kidney function. So look in the comment section, and hopefully this is good news. And this is going to be obviously the treatment for people.